This is Energy Remedy, releasing shoulder tension with this Qigong exercise. Follow along with my movements. Let go of thoughts about the external world. Turn your attention inward for a short time. Do what feels right in your body. Breathe in as you cross the arms. Exhale as you lift the chest and extend your arms outward. This Qigong move channels the tiger. For best results, visualize that you are a tiger, leaping forward and stretching the body with each exhale, drawing energy from the earth with each inhale. Visualize your qi as an energy field circulating like blood through the body. Imagine your qi connecting you to the world around you, and breathe in healing energy from the infinite source. Circulate this healing qi through your body. Let go of any toxic qi with each exhale. Acknowledge the space you create in your body with each inhale, and fill this space with love and light. Recognize any pain that you feel and give yourself permission to let go of it. Feel the space in and around your body. Gently roll your shoulders. Roll your neck. And be kind to your body. To open the shoulders and the chest, practice this Qigong move daily. Thank you so much for watching and sharing your energy practice with me. Let me know in the comments how you feel after this exercise. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you can, please donate to Energy Remedy using the link in the video description to help create more content like this.